There's an appeal for renewed public support for theater arts. The full story from Sam Ramirez.
The Virgin Labfest holds its 9th year of staging plays and launches a book compilation of its stage plays. Director Roddy Vera, who spearheads the event, explains that the Virgin Labfest is also a platform for independent or new playwrights to have their much-awaited break.
Develop works for playwrights, to parang encourage playwrights to have a venue para yung mga sinulat nilang mga dula ay maipalabas sa entablado, kasi madalas ang nangyayari, lalo na kung hindi masyadong kilala yung playwright, sumasali na lang sa writing contest, etc. Tapos hopefully sana makuha sa kakaunti lang naman yung mga theater companies na gumagawa na naging stage, at usually marami sa kanila ay meron ng mga, for lack of a better word, suki na playwright.
Vera also believes that the government support for the arts, particularly theater arts, is vital.
Ngayon basically ang napagkukuhanan ng tulong sa gobyerno ay ang NCCA, at saka ang CCP also gives support, lalo na nito, major partner na namin ng Cultural Center of the Philippines at saka ang NCCA, dahil ang CCP ang nagpo-provide ng venue. Marami silang sinasagot, kung wala sila hindi namin magagawa ito. And to think, ang liit lang ng budget namin, na parang kailangan pa talagang yung mas pag-squeeze ng support from Kwan, and hopefully makakuha rin kami ng support from corporate sponsors.
Vera added that he hopes for the revival of theater arts in the Philippines. He invites the public to support theater arts through the Virgin Labfest being held at the Cultural Center of the Philippines.
Iniimbitahan ko kayo na manood ng Virgin Labfest. Minsan lang mangyari ito sa isang taon, June 26 hanggang July 7. Bagong year 9 na namin, kaya very proud kami, at ngayon meron kaming second volume to be proud of. Hopefully mapanood ninyo. Iba-iba. I'm sure this particular year is very, very exciting.
Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.